Let me share my screen.
Shanmugh bro, can you recap for 5 minutes the previous class, please?
Okay, full backup, right? No problem. I'll recap.
Yes, I said just 5 minutes
Yeah.
recap.
No problem, no problem. I'll do that. So before
Thank you.
starting the session, no problem. Before starting the session, I just want to say sorry to everyone. So why sorry means this is a special batch, okay? So I didn't face any challenges like this earlier. So what happened is we started our batch on 10th December, and then on 17th, of course, I have a plan for Tirupati, so I took extra class on Friday. On 24th, we have Christmas on 25th, so I have to take extra class on 23rd. So this week, okay, there is no extra class, I guess, last week, right? Again, last week, 1st January. So for that also, I just had to take extra class. So that is also an extra Friday. I know you people are facing challenges in connecting Fridays. I know it's very challenging thing. Why? Because you people are working. So I know it's difficult. Definitely I know. Okay, I have to agree that. But the challenge is if I don't take class on Friday, I cannot take class on first, right? So everyone said like I don't want class on first, so I have to take only 1 day class per week. This week also I have to take only 1 day class. So imagine if I took only 1 day class per week, how you will feel? You will suffer, right? So you will feel so people are going to like disappoint if we are taking only 1 day classes per week. So my aim is not to close the course quickly. My aim is I'm taking money from you guys, so it's my responsibility that you should be satisfied with my classes and all. So that's why, especially for this batch, this kind of challenge happened, guys. Earlier batches, hardly our course will be 6 to 8 weekends, generally 2 to 2 months, generally 1.5 to 2 months. So earlier batches, hardly 1 or 2 Fridays I'll take extra classes, 1 or 2. For the whole batch, 1 or 2 Fridays I used to take extra classes. But unfortunately, this batch, Christmas came on Saturday, Sunday, and January 1st came on Sunday, and now again this week is fine. Next week again we have Pongal, that is also on Sunday. So we cannot skip these festivals, right? We have to respect everyone. So it's not in my hands, so I have to take as a trainer, it's my responsibility. So that's why I took extra classes on Fridays, guys. Okay, please don't mind for troubling you on Fridays. Please cooperate with me. So next
Not
time,
as if, sir. Not as if, sir.
okay, so it's not like that 1 or 2 persons are okay, but I see that people are having some issues taking classes on Friday. That's why. For them, sorry guys, sorry for troubling you, but there is no way. So I cannot skip classes. I cannot take only 1 day class per weekend. So again, for the class, you have to wait for 1 more week, right? So it's not good. That's why if I took 1 day class per week, your interest will you will lose the interest, and also that's why to make you connected, I'm insisted to take the classes on Fridays, guys. Okay, so don't mind, please cooperate with me. So hardly 1 more extra Friday I'll take in the future. In case if you feel because of these Fridays you missed the classes, okay, anyone, just ping me for the next batch, whatever topics you missed, just okay, whatever topics you missed, just send me the topic list. So in the next batch, while discussing those topics, definitely I'll add you guys. Okay, fine. Is that okay, guys?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yes.
Sure, sir.
Yeah,
Sure.
okay, sir. Sure.
Fine, fine. 1 minute, huh? Right, fine. Okay. So in the last class we discussed about the backups, right? So we have different types of backups, guys. We have full backups, differential backups, log backups, copy only full backups, tail log backups, partial backups, partial differential backups, file and file groups backups, split backups, mirror backups, finally cold backups. Okay, so we don't discuss all those backups. Hardly 4 or 5 backups we'll discuss. In the last class, especially we discussed how to take full backup, right? So generally we can take full backups either in command way or we can take full backup in GUI also. What full backup will do? Generally full backup will take the backup of the whole database. It will take the backup of the data files and log files as well. It will take the backup of the data files and log files as well. So it will take the backup of, guys, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, bro.
Sirisha, can you please check your connection once? 1 minute. Right. Okay. So when you initiate a full backup, generally it will take the backup of all the files, including data files and log files. Even in the log file also, it will take the backup of all the transactions. Okay. So it will take the backup of committed transactions. It will take the backup of uncommitted transactions as well. So I have a quick question for all of you. I don't know whether I have asked this question, but a quick question for all of you. My full backup is started at 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. My full backup started at 10 a.m. and it is going to end at 12 p.m. Okay, 2 hours, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. One insert transaction came into the database at 11:45. Okay, my backup started at 10 o'clock. It took 2 hours to complete, which is at 12 p.m. It was completed. At 11:45, one insert transaction is like it was inserted. One transaction is inserted at 11:45 into the log file of the database. Now tell me whether this insert transaction, the full backup, this insert transaction is going to cover or not. Means SQL Server will take the backup of this insert transaction or not.
Take.
You got my question, right? After initiating the full backup, before completing the full backup, of course, inserts, deletes, it's very common, right? On database, inserts will happen, deletes, updates, alters, everything will happen. So once you initiated the full backup, whatever transactions are initiated, so are those transactions going to cover in the current full backup or not? This is my question.
I thought cover, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
How many of you sure, guys? Raise your hands. Only 2 people, 3, 4. Okay, fine. Okay, so the answer is yes, it will cover, guys. So once you initiated a full backup, until the backup is going to be completed, okay, whatever transactions are inserted in the log file, all I told you, right? Full backup means it will take the backup of the data files as well as it will take the backup of the log files. So in the log file also it will take the backup of committed and uncommitted transaction. So whatever it is, whether it is a committed transaction or uncommitted transaction, you don't mind. It will start taking the backup of the particular log file and all. So once the backup is initiated, in case if any transactions are inserted or entered into the database, so all those until the backup is going to see, the backup is going to complete at 12 p.m. right? Till 11:59 minutes 59 seconds, whatever transactions came into the database, all those transactions will be backed up in the full backup. Clear? So full backup, can anyone tell me the query for full backup? Very simple query.
Sir, backup
Backup
database name.
Backup
Hmm.
database name.
Yes.
To disk is equal to
To
path.
disk is equal to path
Super.
with .bak extension.
Yes, yes, good. Okay, so full backups generally will give .bak extension, guys. Good. So backup database name. So you have to give the path. Okay, to disk is equal to path. You have to mention. If you don't mention the path, what will happen, guys?
Default, it will be placed in data backups folder, sir.
Yes. Okay. So by default, if you don't mention the path while taking the backups, if you don't mention the path, so generally it will take backup to the default location, which is backups folder. Okay, so the backup won't be failed, but it will take the backup to the default location. Right, if I give the same file name to the same location, what will happen, guys?
All right.
Are you sure?
It will append.
It will append, sir. It will append.
Yeah, append.
It will
Append,
append.
append.
Okay, if you give the
Append,
same,
yeah.
by default it will append. If you want, you can overwrite also. You have to give a separate query to overwrite. If you don't give any separate query and all, generally it will append to the existing backup set. What is meant by media set?
Like
What is meant by media
external
set?
Media
backup
set
files.
is place where all
This-
backup sets are present, sir.
Correct. So if you give the same name, generally the files will be appended, right? One backup file is called one backup set. One backup file is called one backup set. If you give the same file name next time, another backup set will be appended to the current backup set. So now in that file, two backup files are there. So now that is media set. If more than one backup file is there in a backup set, if more than one backup file is there in a backup set, that is called media set. Media set is a collection of backup sets. Clear? Media set is a collection of backup sets, guys. Fine. So now we'll discuss about the differential backup. Listen carefully. It's very important that default interview question, in every interview you will face this interview question, guys. Okay. Differential backup, diff backup or differential backup. What is meant by differential backup? So differential backup will,
Sir,
yes please.
sir, before differential back, can we take full backup through command prompt, sir?
Yes, of course, command prompt you can run any queries, but you should know the query and all. See, only while connecting you have to give separate command. That's it. See, for example, let me show you here. Okay, I'll show you guys. I'll show you one command. You have to use SQL CMD. Okay, SQL CMD, right? SQL CMD -s server name. What is the server name? Computer name, guys. Let me give local. It will work or it won't work. Let me copy paste the server name, host name. Okay, this is the, okay, this is my local laptop, right? Let me go to server, Windows R CMD, host name. Okay, this is my server name. Right click, mark, you can copy the server name, Control C. Okay, so SQL CMD -s right. Now we connected to the SQL server, guys. If you see here one cursor, that means we connected to the SQL server using command prompt. You can connect to SQL server in two ways. One is Management Studio. Okay, this one. Second one is through command prompt. Through command prompt. Now I connected through command prompt, guys. If you want to run any query, use master. You have to, after every query you have to give go, then it was changed to master. I want to see all the databases in the SQL server. What is the command to see all the databases? sp help db go. You can see all the databases. See here, every database, master database, model database. In the command prompt you cannot see like a table format. Generally if you run the same command here, okay, you can just see the table format. You can see the table format. The same data, same, everything is same, values and all, everything is same. Whatever you can see here, help DB, now you execute, you can see this data, right? Batch database, which is 16 MB, SA, everything you can see, right? Same information here also you can see. Master database 140, compatibility, this is 140 means compatibility level, 6 MB, SA, and then read write multi-user. You can see here, right? Online, read write, user access, multi-user, like this, right? All the values you can see through command prompt. So if you want to take backup through command prompt, what is the query? Same query, backup database. Database name is master. Imagine I'm taking backup to master system database. To disk is equal to file name master underscore full backup dot bak. Okay, close the braces and hit again. What you have to do? Go. When you give go, then only the query will be executed. Done. Processed 488 pages for database master file. Master on file 1 processed 4 pages. This is data file, this is log file. Backup database successfully processed 492 pages. Clear?
From command prompt, it's fast. What's the profit of doing this?
There is no profit in case if you don't, sometimes you don't see management studio and all in that server. In such case, you can still use command prompt.
Okay.
Okay, so there is no
Okay,
use.
sir.
You should know the command, that's it. Where you can execute the same
Okay.
command from either command prompt or from management studio.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so all the commands you can, so that is called SQL CMD. Okay, SQL CMD, the command is SQL CMD. Fine. So
Sanok sir,
yes please.
oh, can you open that command prompt again?
Yes.
Can you go little up, all the way?
All the way.
How you connect?
SQL, you have to give SQL CMD is the command. -s,
Okay.
yes means server
Okay.
name.
Okay,
you
and
have to
then
give
use.
the server name.
Okay.
And then
Then
you
use.
once
Yeah, I got it.
once you give the server name, it will enter into that management studio. This one management
Okay,
studio kind of thing. You can run any command. No need to give only use master. Just to show
got it.
you, I gave use master.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Right, so we will discuss about the differential backup. So differential backup will take the backup of all the transactions will take the backup of all the changes since the last full backup. Very important, listen it carefully. Differential backup will take the backup of all the changes since last full backup, whatever changes are there since last full backup. So let me explain you in this way. Okay, so you will get a better idea. 1 minute. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. Okay. Differential backup. Okay, let me go to images. Let me open this image. This is a good one. Okay, it is taking time to load. Okay, let me open that one. Internet became slow again. No, it is taking time to load then. Right, okay. So if you see here, differential backup, the definition is differential backup will take the backup of all the changes since last full backup. Why we are getting like this? The problem. Differential backup. Okay. That- 'The same one, right? So we'll get one more picture. Not getting both. One minute, guys, just 1 minute. One more image will be there. That is a good actually. And I'm looking for that image. This one, let me check.
Sir, could you please check chat, sir? I said one image, if it is useful.
Yeah, I'm just opening the same one. Not sure what is the problem, either with the network or something. Same one, right? You're also sending the same one. You're able to open that one? You're able to open this website completely? Is it loading? Prasad?
Yes, sir, it is loading.
Okay, for me it's not loading. Huh?
Sir, try to open in different browser, sir. It might work.
Yeah, let me open the incognito mode. There is an issue with my network only. Do one thing, okay? So what you can do, download that image and send it to this mail ID, okay? realtimeittrainings@gmail.com. I'm not sure what happened. realtimeittrainings@gmail.com, or else let me copy paste the same in the chat. I am wasting the time. Just download it and don't send the email link, okay? Download it and attach in the email and send it to me. It's showing 50 Mbps speed. Not sure what is the problem to load. Okay, fine. So let me explain you guys. Okay, in the meantime, we'll explain. We'll discuss.
Sir, I have one image. Can I share that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 second. I'll share my screen. 1 second.
Okay, for that you need access. Okay, let me give you access then. Let me stop sharing. Anyone can share the screen, guys. Go down. Okay. No. This is okay, but that is good actually. Okay. So
Sir, then let me share from my side.
just open that website, okay? It will load. Okay, in the meantime I'll check from my side. Bye bye. It's taking time. You can share the screen, Gouda. You can share the screen once. Okay, so let me access your screen. Let me check whether I'm able to access or not. Yeah, just approve my request. Okay, done. So I can open the browser, right? No issues, right? Okay, done. So here what we can do, differential backup. Images. This one. Okay, fine. It's not working. Might be issue with the website only. Okay, if anyone is able to download, guys, just download it to me and send it to my email ID. Okay, it's not working. Okay, fine. Let me share my screen. Right, let me share my screen.
I download, but I have no how to
Just
this.
send, you just attach in the email, okay? I sent you an email ID, right, in the chat. Just go to the Gmail and in the
Okay.
tool, yeah, mention my email ID and just attach that
Okay.
image.
Then-
And make sure that is better than this image, okay?
Oh no, same.
Same means there is no need. Same
Okay.
I can also open, right? The thing is it's not clear. It might be an issue with the website, okay? Not an issue, guys. Okay, try to check this one. Let me open snipping tool. Yeah. So what is the differential backup, guys? Differential backup generally will take the backup of the changes since last full backup. So here listen carefully. So this is, you can see here generally data 1, this is data 1, okay? You can see like this, data 1, data 2, each one is one data record, okay? Data 1, data 2, data 3, data 4. You can see numbers are not good, but you can see at least you can recognize it. Okay, imagine the morning 7 a.m. one record is there in my database, okay? So now at 10 a.m. I just performed a full backup. Okay, at 10 a.m. I just performed a full backup. Up to 10 a.m. only one record is there in my database. So when I perform full backup, how many records will be there in that backup, guys? Only one record, right? This is clear, right, everyone? So how many records are there till full backup is completed? So that many records only will be there in the backup file also. So at 10 o'clock I have only one record. So when I perform full backup at 10 o'clock, that one record came into that backup file. Okay, fine. Now at 1 p.m. 3 records are added, guys. Record 2, record 3 and record 4. 3 extra records are added. So now at 2 p.m. you took the differential backup. This is the differential backup you took at 2 p.m. So when you perform differential backup at 2 p.m., how many records it is going to backup, guys? It is going to take the backup of how many records? As per the differential backup definition, see, total 4 records are there in this database at 1 p.m. At 1 p.m. total 4 records are there in this database. But what is the differential backup definition? Differential backup will take the backup of all the changes since last full backup. Since last full backup at 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. how many changes are there? These 3 changes. Got the point, guys?
Yeah, only 3 changes it will take.
Yes,
Only
yes.
3 changes. It will take the backup of only the changes. Data 1 is already there. So it's not a change. What is the change here? 3 records are added. This is the change. So when you perform differential backup at 2 p.m., it will take the backup of all the changes since last full backup. So that's why when you perform a differential backup at 2 p.m., 2, 3, 4 records are backed up. Backup, guys, don't think the records will directly move to the backup file. No, backup means what? You have a phone backup. Backup means you have an extra copy of your photos, you have an extra copy of your contacts. So backup means extra copy. Fine. Now at 4 p.m. 2 more records are added, record 5 or record 6. How many changes here, guys? How many changes here? Record 5, record 6, 2 more changes. Now at 6 p.m. you took the differential backup. Now tell me how many records will be there in the differential backup file at 6 p.m. differential backup file. How many records will be there?
5 records.
Five records.
5 records. Why 5 records? 2 records only, right? Only 5
No.
changes, right?
It will,
5. Obviously 5.
So you are
it will
saying
take backup from.
so it will take backup from last full backup.
Yes.
Okay, so it will take backup from the last full backup. Don't think in this way. Okay, it will only 2 changes are there, right? So when I perform differential backup again, I have to get only 2 changes.
It will take the backup from the full backup.
Yes, the landmark is last full backup. Till here to here it will take the backup, guys. So this point 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. how many changes are there? 5 changes are there. That's why you can see 5 records in the whenever you initiate a differential backup, it always take backups from the last full backup. Okay, it will always take backup from the last full backup. It will take the backup of all the changes, only changes, only changes. If there is no change, it don't take. If there is a change, for example, last week Kumar salary is 50,000. Okay, this week also Kumar salary is 50,000. Now when you perform differential backup, it don't cover. Next week Kumar salary is 51,000. Change is there, so it will take backup of Kumar. Out of 1 lakh employee records, it will take backup of only Kumar. Why? Because it has to take the backup of only the changes. Changes can be anything, not only salary. I am just giving you an example. Okay, if anything is changed, your differential backup will take the backup of the changes since last full backup. If you see here at 8 p.m. total how many records are there? 5, 6, 7, 8 records are there. At 8 p.m. 8 records are there. Now you performed full backup at 10 p.m. guys. Listen carefully. I'll ask the question. Now you performed full backup at 10 p.m. At 11 p.m. one more record is added. Record number 10 is added. Now when you perform differential backup at so at 10 p.m. At 8 p.m. 8 records are there, right? 8 records are there. Okay, 9 p.m. 2 more records are added, guys. 2 more records are added. Okay, so at 10 p.m. you took the full backup. At 10 p.m. you took the full backup. 10 p.m. took the full backup. Now 11 p.m. 2 records are deleted. You took differential backup at 12 p.m. Now how many records will be there in that differential? 12 p.m. differential backup, how many records will be there? I need answers in the chart. Forget about all these things. Okay, so just consider from this point. 10 p.m. you took the full backup. 11 p.m. 2 records are deleted. Okay, total how many records are there? Total 10 records are there. 8 to here, up to here 10 records are there. Okay, 10 records. I am just giving you suggestions also. Up to 10 o'clock 10 records are there. 11 p.m. 2 records are deleted. Now at 12 p.m. you took the differential backup. How many records will be there in that 12 p.m. differential backup? I need answers in the chart. Don't tell. Okay, don't tell. Okay, just type your answers in the chart. Out of 12 people, I got only 6 answers. Guys, you didn't understand this concept, or you are not interested to to answer this question? Tell me, guys. You are not interested to answer this question? That's fine. This is the interview question then.
This question is really interesting.
Okay.
I know, believe me.
Sir, I have different answer.
No problem. We'll discuss.
Okay.
Let's wait till we got the answers. I
Sir,
hope.
sir, I didn't get the question, sir.
Okay, fine. See here. At 10 till 10 o'clock, 10 records are there in my database. This is clear, right?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Till 10 o'clock, 10 records are there in my
Yes.
database. At 11 p.m., someone deleted 2 records from my database. Okay, now you just took differential backup at 12 p.m. 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. Sorry, 12 a.m. for example, 12 a.m. night, right? After 11 p.m., 12 a.m. Someone took the differential backup. So, how many records will be there in the 12 a.m. differential backup? That is my question. So, what is the definition of differential backup? What is the definition of? Let me check the answers first.
Only the difference.
Sir,
Mag-
10, sir.
Meghna said 8, Sirisha 2, don't know the answer, Wilson. Okay, good. Kamini 8, Shashishekar 8. 2 records are deleted in the log file or deleted transaction in the differential backup 2 records. Sanjeev 1, 10. Okay, Saidara 8.
No, 10.
Okay, 10. Okay, fine. So,
True, sir.
Saidara
8 and
said,
10.
okay, very good.
8 or 10.
Okay, very good. Sirisha, can you explain why it is 2? Shirisha Joy.
8 records, sir.
Yeah, because 10 records
Yeah.
are already there, right? Like when they take a backup, full backup at 10, right?
Yeah.
So then after that, only 2 records deleted, right? So once you take the differential backup,
takes only
it is take
changes.
only change, right?
Very good.
Changes from the last full backup, right? So
Yeah.
only
So
2
it is
records are
dependent on
deleted.
it is dependent on last backup, right? And it is only taking log files backup, right? Not
No,
data.
it will take backup of all the files.
Oh, all the
data file
okay,
and
okay,
log file.
but
But it
it's
will take
changing,
only
right?
changes.
So
Only
changes.
changes.
So only 2 changes over there, like 2 record are deleted.
So,
Deleted
so right
records
answer
are
is 2.
Yes,
Yeah,
the right
yes.
answer is
Yes, sir.
Shanmugh bro,
yes, please.
10,
Bro.
right?
No, how come 10? Tell me. See,
No, bro, 2.
if it is 10, okay, fine. If it is 10, what is the difference between a full backup and a differential backup? Now tell me, even if you took full backup also 10 records will be there, right?
Yes, sir.
If you take differential backup also 10 records will be there, right? Then what is the difference
Yes.
between full backup and
No,
differential
no
backup?
difference. No difference.
Only
So-
thing is differential backup will take the backup of all the changes since last full backup. This is very important. All the changes since last full backup. So here 10 o'clock you took a full backup. 10 o'clock you took a full backup. After 10 o'clock you just deleted 2 records from the database. So at 12 a.m. you took a differential backup. So since full backup, since 10 p.m. to 12 a.m., how many changes are there? Only 2 changes.
Okay.
So the answer is 2. Joy and Sirisha, very good. Okay, the answer is 2, guys. So
Thank
again,
you.
I'm saying this is an interview question. So differential backup will take the backup since last full backup. And one more important point is always one differential backup is enough to restore. Always one recent differential backup is enough to restore the database.
So,
Okay.
sir,
Yes, please.
differential backup, like how often they take, like hourly?
I'll tell you.
Okay.
I'll cover. Okay. So generally in the organization will take weekly full backups. Like every Sunday or Saturday generally will take full backups. Every day differential backups will take. Every day will take differential backups. Okay. Every week will take full backups. Every day will take differential backups. Depends upon the project. If it is a critical project and all. This is not a rule. Microsoft didn't set any rule that you have to take full backup only Sunday. Whenever you want, you can take the full backup. Okay. But generally full backups are performance killers. So that's why we don't run full backups daily. But for critical applications, generally they will take full backups daily full backups also. You can take it whenever you want, you can take it. For critical applications, daily full backup they will take every 4 hours. Every 4 hours they will take a differential backup, guys. Clear? Is it clear, everyone, what is differential backup? In the backup concept, first they will ask differential backup only, guys, and they will give the scenario like this. Okay, now tell me, as per the first scenario, every Sunday I am taking full backup. every day I'm taking differential backup. Now my database is corrupted on Friday evening. Okay, Friday evening. Every day I'm taking differential backup day. Every day at 8 p.m. I am taking differential backup. Every Sunday at night 2 a.m. I am taking full backup. Night times will take full backups generally. Full backups will take lot of time, right? It will use lot of resources. So to avoid the performance issues, generally will take full backups night time, like night 2 a.m., 3 a.m. like this. Okay, differential backup I am taking daily at 8 p.m. Now my database is corrupted on Friday evening 6 p.m. Now tell me how many backups you have to choose to restore the database till Friday. Tell me, guys.
Only 2.
Every day differential backup I am taking. Monday differential backup I'll have. Tuesday differential backup. Wednesday, Thursday. Friday it's not there, right? Friday evening 6 p.m. So till Thursday I have differential backup, and last Sunday full backup I have. So now tell me, I have one full backup, 4 differential backups. How many backups I have to use to restore my database? What and all backups I have to use?
Full backup and last differential backup. Sunday full backup.
I need
and
answers
last,
from everyone. Just type your answers in the chat, guys. I want to see the answer. This is a pakka interview question. This is pakka interview question, guys. I'll wait. Just type your answers, okay? I want to see magics.
So, sir, how about like differential backup is how often we take? Tamuk sir.
Every day. Joy.
Every day
we are taking differential backup.
Every day. Okay. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. So one full.
Thursday differential and full Sunday full backup. I think.
Full.
You can try. Just type your answers in the chat. Whatever answer it is just type your answers in the chat. I'll check. Right, fine. Okay, let me check the answers. Joy. Sirisha Sunday full backup, very good Sirisha. Gouda Sunday full backup and latest, very good Gouda. Kiran Kumar one full backup and recent differential backup, good Kiran. Sirisha good, and Joy not good.
Yeah. I like.
Last Sunday full backup and recent differential. Sunday full backup, latest differential backup. Joy one day 4 into 4 16. What is that 4 into 4 16? Joy?
I was in different thing. Like I was like a point of
Okay, fine. Last time you and
one and one only.
okay, last time you and Sirisha correct. This time Sirisha and others correct. You are wrong. Mostly others, like everyone who said one full backup, one recent differential backup is the correct answer, guys. Okay. Again, I'm saying differential backup, always one differential backup is enough, always one recent differential backup is enough to restore the database. Why? Because imagine this is the scenario. Every Sunday I am taking full backup, okay? Every day I am taking differential backup. So Monday differential backup contains all the changes from Sunday to Monday. Tuesday differential backup contains all the changes from Sunday to Tuesday. Wednesday differential backup contains all the changes from Sunday to Wednesday, Sunday to Thursday. So I need all the changes from Sunday to Thursday, right? So Thursday differential backup is enough for me, right? So always remember, if you don't understand this question or if you don't understand this concept, the blind answer is always one recent differential backup is enough. The recent differential backup contains all the changes since last full backup, guys. This is pakka interview question. Okay, fine. Any questions here, guys? Any questions, any doubts? Differential backups. Is it clear, guys? Everyone?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, fine, guys. Okay, so let me show you how to take differential backup. It's easy. Once you know how to take a full backup, after that everything is like that only. So I want to take differential backup on this database. Right click, task. Earlier we used to select full backup. Okay, in this window. Now you have to select a differential backup. Remaining everything is same. Remove the old path, add the new path, give the path, give the file name. What is the database name? Batch 47 underscore new underscore diff backup underscore, what is the date today? 01/06/2022 .bak. For differential backups also extension is .bak only. For full and differential backups extension is .bak only. Sir, can I give any name? Yes, you can give your name also as an extension. That's it, guys. Give the file name, click OK, done. So the query is backup database name to disk is equal to same like full backup, path batch 47 underscore new underscore diff backup underscore 2. I gave the same name right earlier, so I'm just adding 2 underscore. Okay, and what is the date today? 01/06/2022 .bak. This is full backup query, right? You have to add with differential. Just you have to add this keyword with the differential. Will take the differential backup, guys. In this way you can perform differential backup. That's it. Clear, everyone? What is differential backup? How to take differential backup? Is it clear, guys? Any questions?
Yes.
Are we good, guys? Can we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So the next backup is log backup, guys. Okay, so what is this log backup? Full backup and differential backup will take the backup of data files. Thank you. And log files. Okay, log files. Full backup and differential backup both will take the backup of data files and log files, guys. Okay, whereas your log backup will take the backup of only log file. Log backup will take the backup of only log file. Log backup will take the backup of only log file, guys. Only log file. It don't touch any data file, guys. Okay, log backup will take the backup of only log file. So it will take the backup of committed and uncommitted transactions. Log backup will take the backup of committed and uncommitted transactions. So when you perform log backup, generally log file will be truncated. Truncate means delete, guys. It's a kind of data, whatever data is there, committed data, especially the committed data is there in the log file, that will be deleted, guys. Why? Because generally committed data will move to the data file, right? So commit means what? The meaning of commit means it will move to the data file. So there is no use of the data in the log file. So if you take the log backup, it will delete the committed data from the log file. The log file will be truncated. Okay, so log backups generally in the organization will take every 15 minutes. For every 15 minutes we'll take the log backups. Why? Because log backups are very critical backups, guys. Very critical, very sensitive backups. So always log backup will depends on its previous log backup. Always log backup will depends on its previous log backup. Say for example, every 15 minutes it will take the log backup, right? So imagine 10 o'clock it will take log backup, one log backup. 10 o'clock it will take log backup 1. 10:15 again it will take one more log backup. Okay, so what is the criteria for second log backup? Whatever changes are there from 10 to 10:15 it will take the backup in the second log backup, guys. Log backup 3, 10:15 to 10:30. Okay, whatever changes are there since 10:15 to 10:30, those changes will be covered in the log backup 3, guys. Okay, so it will take the backup in pieces. Okay, so log backup 1 contains some information, log backup 2 contains some information, log backup 3 contains some information, log backup 4 contains some information. Okay, 10:45. So one more log backup. Okay, so if you want to restore 10 to 10:45 data, you have to restore all the log backups. You have to restore all the log backups, guys. Okay, differential backup is not like that. Differential backup will always depends on its last full backup, but log backup will depends on its previous log backups. It's a chain, guys. It's a chain. Someone deleted this 10:30 log backup, then you cannot restore 10:45 log backup. Why? Because the chain is broken. If you want to restore this, first you have to restore LB3. Where is LB3? It was deleted. The chain is broken. You can restore up to LB2 only. Got the point, guys? Is it clear?
So, sir, every that take like. Can you
Sorry?
repeat this one, please? Can you repeat this one from 10?
See here, log backups will always take the backup of log files. This is clear? This
Yes,
is
yes.
clear? Right. So log backup will take the backup of only the log file. When you perform log backup, generally it will truncate the log file. Okay, so whatever committed transactions are there will be deleted from the log file. Is it clear, that point?
Okay, and it take here.
Yes, and
Okay,
every 15 minutes generally we can perform log back in the organization. The standard is every 15 minutes generally we'll take the log backups. We'll schedule a job. That job will take the log backup for every 15 minutes. Okay, that you can perform for every 5 minutes also, no issues. But the recommended value is 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes we'll take the log backups. Right. Imagine 10 o'clock, 15 minutes means 10 o'clock is the 15 minutes interval, right? 10 o'clock
Okay.
you just took a log backup, sorry. 10 o'clock you took a log backup. Next, after 15 minutes it will take one more log backup, right? So at 10:15 you took one more log backup. So at 10:30 one more log backup. At 10:45 one more log backup. Total how many log backups? 4 log backups, right?
So like the first one, second one, third one, like everyone has a different kind of
Correct,
logs in
correct.
that.
10
Okay.
to
It's
10
not like
to yes.
LB1 has everything and
No, no, no.
LB4
That
has
is
everything like
that
LB1, LB2. No, no.
that comes
Okay.
under differential backup. Then there is no difference
Okay,
between
okay.
differential and log backup, right?
Got it. Okay.
So 10 to 10:15 data only will be there in the log backup 2.
Okay, I got it now.
10:15 to 10:30 data will be there in the log backup 3.
Okay.
10:30
Separate.
to 10:45 backup will be there in the log backup 4. Okay, so if I want to restore from 10 to 10:45, what and all backups you need?
You need all three,
All the
all
backups.
four, yeah.
All the log backups you need. Okay, so always log backups will depends on its previous log backup. Differential backup will always depends on its previous, last full backup. But log backup will depends on its last log backup. Every log backup will depends on its last log backup. Everyone, is it clear log backups, about log backups, guys? Any issues?
Clear now, clear.
Everyone.
Clear, sir.
If you have any questions, let me know.
Yes.
I'm happy
Sir,
to
hello.
explain again.
Clear,
Yes,
Bro.
please. Yes, yes, yes. Tell me.
Yes, if for example LB3 is deleted, can we do LB2 to LB4?
That's what we said. That's what we discussed. No, that is not possible. Okay.
Okay.
LB4, LB3 deleted means LB4 will depends on LB3. If LB3, if you did not pass LB3, LB4 can't restore. Interlock, it will be interlocked with one number called LSN number, log sequence number. Okay, LB1 log sequence number is, I'm just giving a sample random number, okay, like 478. This is LSN number for log backup. This is 479, control C, control V. This is 479. Okay, and 1030 LB3 for this LSN number is 480, and for this LSN number is, okay, 481. So now if I want to restore this 481, what you should have? You should have 480. If someone deleted 480, the sequence is mismatched, right? So 481 will not be restored. Not only, say for example, you have 100 log backups. Someone deleted 10th log backup. How many log backups you can restore? Someone deleted
99 log backups.
sorry, we have
Oh, okay,
100
only
log
9, sir.
backups. 10th log backup is deleted. How many log backups you can restore?
Only 9th.
The sequence is
Till
up to
First 9.
up to 9. The sequence is good. So up to 9 only you can restore. From 10th one onwards till 100th log backup you cannot restore. Why? Because chain is broken at 10th log backup. If you have the 10th log backup, take it and give it to the database while restoring. It will restore. If you don't have that log backup, 10th log backup, if someone deleted permanently, you cannot restore remaining 90 log backups.
So, sir, if we take the log backup, the size of file will decrease.
It's not like decrease or increase. Imagine your your database size is 1 TB. Out of 1 TB, your data file size is 100 GB. Your log file size is 900 GB. Now you tell me, if you take the log backup, how much size? Whether your data file backup is big or your log file backup is big.
Data file
Maybe
is
So the size depends on the size of the log file. So you cannot say the log backup will be small in size, but yes, generally it will be small in size. Why? Because regularly you are taking log backups. Generally it will be small in size only. Generally full backup will be big in size, differential backup is medium in size, log backup will be small in size. Why? Because every 15 minutes, how many transactions will be there every 15 minutes means? Less transactions only, right? So when compared to full backup, 15 minutes log backup means it will be less size only, but you cannot expect, right, how much data will come in 15 minutes.
okay.
Suddenly billions of records came into the database, your log file growth will be increased. So if your log file size is increased, your log backup size also will increase. Got the point? So the log backup file size will depends upon the log file size. The log file is small, you will get a small log backups. If the log file is big, you will get big log backups. Clear, guys? Is it clear? Any questions,
Yes.
please?
It's clear, bro.
Okay, fine.
Sir, he is asking about this 900 GB will decrease or not also he's asking.
Yeah, I am
So
asking
you're
this.
asking about log file. Okay, good question. So it won't decrease. It won't decrease. Okay, log file size won't be decreased. What you have to do after, see, 900 GB, out of 900 GB, 800 GB is committed data. Okay, imagine 800 GB committed data is there. Now you took the log backup, it will truncate the committed data, right? So it will truncate the committed data, but the log file size still remains 900 GB only. Out of 900 GB, 800 GB free space will be there. That's it.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Earlier, there is no free space. Now when you truncate that log file, log backup, when you took the log backup, log file will be truncated, right? When you took the log backup, earlier 900 GB occupied, Now 800 GB free space will be there, 100 GB will be occupied. If you want to release this space also, you have to do one activity called shrink. You have to shrink the log file. Then it will release this free space to the operating system.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So let's now, if it is clear, be ready with the answers. Send the direct answers to me. Don't send it to the group. So this is the scenario. Every Sunday 2 a.m. full backup, full. Every day 8 p.m. differential backup, diff backup. Every 15 minutes log backup. Every 15 minutes means every 50 minutes. 7 o'clock, 7:15, 7:30, 7:45, 8 o'clock, 8:15, 8:30, 8:45, 9 o'clock, like that. So don't ask me time. Every 15 minutes means 15 minutes interval. My DB is corrupted. My DB is corrupted on Saturday morning 10:12 a.m. Now my question is, how many backups you will use to recover the data till 10. Okay, I don't want 12 minutes, till 10 a.m. is fine for me. Okay, what and all backups you will use? What and all backups you will use to restore? Now tell me, you type your answers in the chat, send it to me directly, take 15 minutes break, come back, we'll discuss, okay, the answers, and we'll continue for other backups as well. Okay, fine guys, type your answers in the chat directly to me, don't type in the public. Okay, don't type for everyone, just type directly to me. Okay, fine. So take a break guys, come back after 15 minutes, so we'll discuss.
Send publicly.
No, don't send, sir. Send it privately to me.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, let me stop recording. Fine, let me check the answers now. So last Sunday full backup and latest differential backup and 8 log backups. Okay, one full backup plus Friday differential backup, Friday 8 p.m. differential backup, 56 log backup, Megana Reddy. Okay, one full backup 2 a.m. one differential backup 8 p.m. 56 log backups, Kiran. Saidara one recent differential backup restored after Saturday morning 10:12. Can't lag onto the log backup. Saidara will use last Sunday full backup, one recent differential backup, 56 log backups. Kiran Kumar one full backup Sunday 2 a.m. Sanjeev full backup, last Sunday differential backup, latest Friday, and all the log backups till 10 a.m. You have to mention all the log backups means how many log backups you have to mention. Sanjeev, one full backup, one recent differential backup 8 p.m. 56 log backups. Okay, Sirisha and all the log backup till 10 a.m. Saturday. Where is your first answer? I don't see. Last full backup and recent differential backup before DB corrupted on Friday, and all the log backups till 10 a.m. All the log backups means all the log backups from the last full backup or all the log backups after differential backup. So I need that clarity. Sirisha. Kamini, latest full backup, latest differential backup, all the log backups till Saturday 10 a.m. Okay. So we'll use last Sunday full backup, okay. Let me tell you the answer guys. Okay. So most of you are correct guys. Most of you are correct. One or two, just one or two people. Okay. So here my database is corrupted. Where is that? Okay. Saturday morning 10 a.m. right? So I'll use last Sunday full backup, one full backup. Fine. I'll get the data till last Sunday. If I use last Sunday full backup, I'll get the data till last Sunday. Fine. Now I'll use recent differential backup Saturday morning, right? Means Friday evening. Okay, one differential backup. Always the differential backup will be only one, that is a recent differential backup. So one differential backup of Friday, one full backup, one differential backup. Good. So we have, if you restore Friday differential backup, you will get data till Friday 8 p.m. You will get data till Friday 8 p.m. means till Friday 8 p.m. you got the data. Now how much data is missing? Friday 8 p.m. to Saturday morning 10-12 a.m. So I asked you to till 10 a.m. right? So consider till 10 a.m. Forget about 12 minutes. For that also we can recover. The 12 minutes data also we can recover. But at this moment we cannot do. I'll tell you. Okay, so consider till 10 a.m. means Friday 8 p.m. to Saturday 10 p.m. How many hours? Friday 8 p.m. to Saturday 8 a.m. 12 hours, right? Friday night 8 p.m. to means tonight now. Friday night 8 p.m. to tomorrow morning 10 a.m. 8 a.m. means 12 hours. Tomorrow morning 8 a.m. to tomorrow morning 10 a.m. 2 hours. Total 14 hours. Every hour 4 log backups will be generated. 14 into 4 how much? 4 4 ja 16, 1 4 1 ja 4, 56. 56 log backups we have to use. Very good guys, very good. I'm happy. Okay, so you have to use one full backup and you have to use one recent differential backup and you have to use 56 log backups. Now my question is, imagine, see, I want to add one more point. Differential backups are optional. It's not mandatory that you have to take differential backup. It's your wish. Some companies will choose different, most of the companies will use differential backup, but some companies don't prefer differential backup. Okay, so it's not mandatory. Now imagine there is no differential backup. Imagine there is no differential backup. Now tell me how many full backups, how many log backups I have to use to restore my database till Saturday morning 10 a.m. Is it possible, first of all? Is it
Yes.
possible? Okay.
No, sir.
It is not possible, huh?
I thought no.
Is it
no.
possible, sir? Possible. But
Possible,
downtime
yes.
will be there.
Downtime. Forget about downtime and all. That's a different case. Okay.
No,
Right.
take one
So,
full backup and for all log backups since
No.
2 a.m.
okay, the answer is yes, it is possible. So only the convenient is if you have differential backup, no need to restore the backup till Friday. If you don't have differential backup, you have to restore all the log backups from last full backup. Okay, see Sunday 2 a.m. full backup is completed, right? From Sunday 2 a.m. to Saturday morning 10 a.m. you have to restore all the log backups every day. Every 15 minutes one log backup means every hour 4 log backups. Every day 96 log backups. 24 4s are 96 log backups. So Monday 96, Tuesday 96, Wednesday 96, Thursday 96, Friday 96. Means how many? All overall 500 or 550 log backups you have to restore roughly. One full backup and 550 log backups you have to restore. Imagine 550 log backups means there is a chance of those log backups, some of the log backup might be deleted. It's not deleted, but in case there might be a chance we can miss while restoring, we can miss some of the log backups. So it will create confusion, right? To avoid those many log backups, we have differential backup. So instead of all these log backup, you can restore one recent differential backup. So you will get data till Friday. From Friday, remaining whatever is missing, that you can achieve with the help of log backups, guys. Okay, is it clear? So some of you answered all the log backups, right? So if you answer like that in the interview, the interviewer will think in this way. Okay, all the log, even though we have full backup, differential backup, we have to restore all the log backups since Sunday. So it's wrong answer, right? So that's why you have to mention how many log backups and all. It should be clear in the interview. The answer should be clear. Otherwise, he will think in another way. Fine, guys. Are we good? Now, this is a Pakka interview question. Okay, you can note down. This is Pakka interview question. Right. Any questions? Any doubts, please? No questions? We are good. Chalo. So now let me show you how to take the log backup. Same, easy, right?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, in real environment, it is a big database, sir.
Yes.
Like TBs of data will be there.
Correct.
And if I mean pumping, they are pumping the data. Huge pumping is going on, sir.
Okay.
So in that scenario, the log backup will be taken in how much amount of times?
See, it's not like that. See, every time they don't pump huge amount of data, right? So there are
Yes,
some
okay, sir.
scenarios, very rarely. Sometimes you'll get huge data, sometimes less transactions, sometimes high transactions, more transactions and all will be there. Generally 15 minutes you are taking log backup, right? So it will take a 15 minutes gap, 10 o'clock it will initiate the log backup. Whatever transactions are there, it will take the log backup. It might take 2 minutes or 3 minutes to take the log backup, hardly. If the log file size is big, the backup time also will increase. Got the point? If the log file size is big, the backup time also increase. It depends. See, you tell me, if you are copying a 100 GB file and if you are copying a 10 GB file, both will take same time. Tell me, you are copy, you just
100 GB
initiated.
will take more time, sir.
More time, right? So if your log file size is more, it has to write all the data to the disk, right? Backup means what? It will write the data to the disk. So it's a backup. So if it is 100 GB file, it will take more time. If it is 10 GB file, it will take less time. Depends upon the log file size. Generally, it will take time while taking the backups. It's okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Fine. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Yeah, no problem. Okay, so let me initiate the log backup. So go to the right click task, select backup. You can choose log backup. Log backup or transaction log, both are same, guys. Again, I'm repeating, log backup or transaction log backup, both are same. Select transaction log, remove the old path, add the new path. Make sure this is disk. Here you can see, right, disk. Make sure you are taking backup to disk and browse. Give the file name. So the database name is batch 47 underscore new underscore log backup. This time I'll include date and I'll also include time. What is the time now? 2039, right? 2039, 24 hours format. 00.trn. Generally log backups extension will be .trn. trn, transaction log file, right? .trn. Click OK, click OK and click OK. That's it. In this way we'll take the log backup. If you want to query, backup log database name to disk is equal to file name batch 47 underscore log backup underscore 01/06/2022 underscore 20. What is the time now? Still 39 only. 2039 05. Imagine, yeah, you can give any number. I'm just giving a okay time and all .trn. That's it. Okay, backup log database name, backup log database name to disk is equal to file name .trn. In this way you can take the log backup, guys. So if you want to see the backups, all the backups till now, okay, see program files, Microsoft SQL Server instance, root directory, MS SQL backup. There you can see master full backup we took using command prompt, right? And then you can see here, this is the log backup, the recent log backup. There is another log backup, it should be there, right? Where is the log backup?
Second one from the bottom, sir.
This is the one, huh? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You can see here, type here, right? Just date modified. You can see. Okay, time. I took one is at 8:39, another one is at 8:40. You can see here. Okay, so this is how generally you can take the log backup, guys. Any questions? Any doubts? Full differential log, all are important backups only. Okay, fine. If you don't have any questions, let's jump into another backup called copy only full backup. So what is this copy only? Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please.
See, this is okay, like one full backup and recent differential backup and 56 log backup, it's okay.
Yeah.
See, if you did any transaction in between the 10 a.m. to 10:20 a.m., then the data will be what you like
10 to 12, 10 to 10 12, huh? This 12 minutes data you're asking?
Yes, if you did
I'll
any
tell.
transaction in
I'll tell you.
you.
I'll tell you. We have separate backup called tail log backup. Okay, we'll discuss.
It's okay.
Yeah. Right. Copy only full backup. Okay. So what is this copy only full backup? What is difference between full backup and copy only full backup? So now this is the challenge. One full backup, one recent differential backup. Okay, diff backup. One full backup, one recent differential backup, 56 log backups, right? So now this is the challenge. Imagine someone deleted this full backup. Now how you are going to recover the database?
No solution, sir.
No solution, right? Fine, very good. There is no solution, guys. If you don't have full backup, see, you have to restore. If you want to restore differential backup, you should have full backup. If you want to restore log backups, you should have full backup. So if the full backup itself is deleted, there is no solution now. You cannot do anything here. Now there is one more challenge. Okay. Every Sunday you are taking full backup. Listen carefully. Every Sunday you are taking full backup. You are taking full backup. Every day you are taking differential backup. Every 15 minutes we are taking log backup. Someone pinged me, hey Shanmukh, we have urgent deployment is there. We are doing some changes on the database. So those are critical changes. So better for safe side, take a full backup on Thursday. One guy from application team pinged me like this, or he just raised a request, hey DBA team, we are doing some deployments, we are doing some important updates and all. So can anyone please take a full backup on Thursday? Means the backup strategy, this is called backup strategy. They will ask you in the interview, what is your organization backup strategy? Then what is your answer, guys? Every Sunday full backup, every day differential backup, every 15 minutes log backup. This should be your answer. Okay, backup strategy means how you are going to plan your backups. That is the meaning of that question, backup strategy. How you are planning the backups, how you will implement the backup strategy in your organization. Right, now someone from the application team, he is asking a full backup in the middle of the week. Can we take? If he is asking a full backup in the middle of the week, can we take, guys? What will happen if you take a full backup in the middle of the week? What will happen if you don't take it? Tell me the challenges.
Sir, if we take in the middle, then LSN chain will be broken. Sir. Then so the full backup from Thursday onward, the log backups. I mean, after full backup, all the log backups will follow the LSN number of full backups.
Correct. Very good. Okay.
From
So
Thursday.
let me explain. So if anyone comes to you and if anyone is asking, hey DBA team, can you please take a full backup, means as a DBA, it's our responsibility to provide full backups. You cannot say to the application team, hey, no, we don't take the full backup, go to hell. So you cannot talk to them like that. Okay. You have to take it, you have to obey whatever they are saying. We are there, we are working for application only. So whatever application requests are there, we have to fulfill those requirements and all. So yes, in case if anyone is asking full backup in the middle of the week, you can take it, you should take it. Why? Because it's very common. Now the challenge is you took the full backup in the middle of the week. Fine. Thursday you took the full backup. Friday again differential backup ran. Saturday differential backup ran. Suddenly, what happens? You took the full backup and because of some space issue, you just deleted this full backup. Because of space issue, deleted this full backup. Okay. Thursday, manual full backup deleted. Now database is corrupted, DB corrupted on Friday. Now how you will recover? Tell me, what are the ways to recover the database in this scenario? Tell me, guys. Everyone got my question, guys? Is it clear? Is my question clear? Everyone.
Sir, Can you please repeat it, sir, once again?
Definitely, I'll repeat it. Every Sunday we are taking full backup. Every day we are taking differential backup. Every 15 minutes we are taking log backup. This is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Now someone from the application team, they asked us to take a manual full backup. So we took manual full backup, but some other guy, you just completed your shift and you just log off from the servers and you just log off from the shift and all. Now you are not there in the shift. The second shift guy, he just checked the space and all. There is less space in the backup drive, so he deleted this manually taken full backup. So now whatever full backup taken on Thursday, no more. It's no more. It was deleted. Now the database is corrupted on Friday evening. How we will recover the database? This is the challenge.
No solution in this case, sir.
Right? No solution.
No solution, sir. No solution.
No solution. Why? Because Thursday
No, no,
night.
we can take a Sunday full backup and every day differential.
Everyday differential backup till when?
Sir, in this case, Sunday
Only-
full backup. Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yes, tell
But
me.
2-day backup is not in our hand.
Now I want
Thursday and
to
Friday.
I want to restore my data till Friday. How we will deal with this situation?
Oh, that's the problem.
Problem, right?
Yeah.
Right. So that's why actually in this scenario there is no solution. The answer is there is no solution. Why? Because Thursday full backup is deleted. All the log backups will start from Thursday. Freshly it will start from Thursday. So if you want to restore log backup, you should have Thursday full backup, right? Hmm. 1 minute, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Right. So there is no solution now. Why? Because all the differential backup, again a new differential backup chain will start from Thursday. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. So again a new again a new differential backup chain will start from Thursday. Again a new log backup chain will start from Thursday. If you want to restore on Friday, you should have Thursday full backup, right? There is no Thursday full backup, so you cannot do anything here. To overcome this situation, we have copy only full backup. What will happen if you take copy only full backup? Okay, if you take copy only full backup, it don't disturb the regular chain. There is only one difference between a full backup and a copy only full backup. Full backup will take the backup of the whole database and it will reset DCM pages. They will ask you this question. So differential backup, what is the differential backup, guys? It will take all the changes since last full backup, right? So how it knows what are the changes are there since last full backup? How SQL Server knows what and all changes are there since last full backup? There is one system page called DCM page, differential changed map. There is one page called DCM page. In this page, it will track all the extents. Extents we discussed right earlier. Whatever extents are changed since last full backup, it will track all the extents information in this DCM page. So whenever you trigger a differential backup, SQL Server will goes to DCM page. Hey DCM page, do you have any extents that has been changed since last full backup? DCM page will give you a list. Hey SQL Server, these are the extents changed since last full backup. Chalo, take it. Okay, then SQL Server will take backup of only those extents. That's how differential backup will work. Interview question. How differential backup will work? Interview question. Okay, so when you take a full backup, it will take full backup, and every full backup, after every full backup, it will reset. Why? Because a new journey will start, right? After every full backup, a new differential journey will start, right? So how come it will start? It will reset the DCM pages. When you trigger a full backup, these two things will done. One is it will take the full backup of the whole database. Second one, it will reset the DCM pages. So that's why again a fresh differential backups will be generated from the last full backup. But whereas in the copy only full backup, it will only take the backup of the database. It don't touch the DCM pages. So your copy only full backup don't disturb the chain. So if someone deleted copy only full backup in the middle, nothing will happen to your full backup. You can as usual restore your full backup. You can as usually restore your differential backup. You can as usual restore your log backups. Nothing will happen. Your chain won't be broken if you take copy only full backup. Is it clear? Any questions, guys? Any questions, any doubts here, please? No questions? We are good. Only simple, guys, very simple, copy only full backup. Don't disturb your full backup and differential backup chain. That's it. So you can take copy only full backup at any time. So in the middle of the week, if someone comes to you manually, you have to take a full backup, then don't take full backup manually. Always take copy only full backup. There is no difference between full backup and copy only full backup in terms of data. Data is same. Only difference is full backup will reset the DCM pages, copy only full backup don't touch the DCM pages. So that's why you should take, always you should take copy only full backup. The application team don't know copy only full backup, they don't tell you, hey, take copy only full backup. They don't tell you like that. They will simply ask you to take the full backup. You know the impact of taking full backup. So if anyone is asking full backup in the middle of the week, always it's good to take which backup, guys? Which backup?
Copy
So-
only.
Copy only full backup.
So only thing, if you don't understand anything, no problem. Okay, blindly remember one thing. If anyone is asking you to take a manual full backup, or due to any activity you have to take a manual full backup, don't take manual full backup. Take a copy only full backup. That's it.
So
Like,
any difference between size?
Size, there is
Full
no
back-
difference. No difference
Okay.
at all. Same size. What is the full
Okay.
backup size? Same size you will get it.
Okay.
Any questions, guys, here? No, right? Fine. So let me show you how to take off. Same as full backup. Only difference is backup database name to disk is equal to file name, right? Control C, enter, Control V to disk is equal to file name. So I'll change the file name, copy only full backup. Guys, again I am saying here you can give direct full backup. There is no meaning whatever you are mentioning between these two single quotes. I told you right last time, you can mention any name, you can mention your name.bak also. There is no difference. Copy only full backup means, sir, do I need to mention copy only full backup in the file name? No. But here if you mention, okay, kumar.bak, suresh.bak, they don't understand, right, which backup it is. So now if you see, okay, I can easily identify this is a log backup. I can easily identify this is a differential backup. I can easily identify this is a full backup. Right? So that's why for that purpose we have to take a backup. We have to give a proper name. Okay, so now the query is backup database name to disk is equal to file name.bak. This is a full backup query, right? If you want copy only, okay. You have to mention with copy underscore only. Sorry. That's it. You have to simply include one keyword called copy underscore only. Okay, that's it. If you execute, you will get a copy only full backup. If you want to take using GUI, same tasks, backup, full backup is there, right? Select this option, copy only backup. So copy only plus full, copy only full backup. Remove it, add a new path, new file name, browse it. Where is copy only? I'll simply change the name. Okay, underscore 3. I'll give this time underscore 3. Okay, and okay. That's it. Done. So in this way you can take the copy only full backup, guys. Any questions, any doubts? See, this is full backup file size 463 KB. This is copy only full backup file size 462 KB. There is no difference at all in size. Fine. Fine.
Only 1 kV.
Sorry, only 1K.
Only 1 kV difference.
Yeah. Just not 1K, 1 byte. Okay. 1 KB means it is a big number. Okay. So if it is 462, if it is 1460, then 1K is difference. Just 1 byte is different. Okay, fine. So now let's discuss about the another backup called tail log backup. What is this tail log backup? So in the last scenario, whatever we discussed in the last scenario, every Sunday full backup, every day diff backup, every 15 minutes log backups. DB is corrupted on Saturday morning 10:12, right? You have a doubt, right, sir? I want to recover this 12 minutes data also. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. How? When the database is corrupted, what is the first thing you have to do? Take a tail log backup. It's not a regular backup. Tail log backup is not a regular backup. Your full is a regular backup, regularly will do it. Your differential is a regular backup, regularly will do it. Your log backup is a regular backup, regularly will take the log backup, but tail log backup will take during crash situations. Tail log backup will take during crash situations. So if the database is corrupted, what you have to do immediately? You have to take a tail log backup. It will take the backup of all the committed and uncommitted transactions. Your tail log backup will take the backup of all the committed and uncommitted transactions. While restoring, you have to give this tail log backup also. Now the correct answer for this question is one full backup. You have to restore one last full backup. Okay, Sunday till Sunday. Now you got the data. One last differential backup. Differential backup every day, right? Saturday it was corrupted, right? So Friday differential backup is enough. Friday diff backup. Fine. Now from Friday differential backup to Monday morning 10 a.m. 56 log backups you have to restore. Finally, the tail log backup. Whatever tail log backup you took at 10:12, right? It was corrupted. You just checked everything. You found at 10:30. You found the issue at 10:30. So all that uncompleted transactions till 10:12 to 10:30, whatever transactions are there, so that will comes under tail log backup. So finally, after restoring full backup, differential backup, and log backups, finally you have to restore a tail log backup. So that the 12 minutes data also you will get it in this tail log backup. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It means log backup take only the committed transaction, and tail log backup work on
First
committed
of all,
and uncommitted.
wait. All the backups will take committed and uncommitted transactions. Okay, all the backups, full will take, differential backup will take, log backup will take, tail log backup will take. So only thing is log backups you will take it regularly. Tail log backup you will take during crash situations, during disasters.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah. Any questions? Any question, guys? Any question? Anyone having any question on this? Is it clear? Backups, full, differential, log, tail log backup, copy only, full backup. Only these 5 backups we'll use in the organization. We have 5 more backups, right? So that is already covered in the document. We don't use it, but if you want, you can practice it. I'll forward you the document, backup document. There you can see all the backup types and all the commands and all queries and all.
Sir, one backup is split backup.
Split backup, yes, one is split backup. Split backup means imagine my database size is 2 terabytes. If you enable backup compression, when you generate a backup on this 2 terabytes database, imagine you are going to get 500 GB of backup file. But in any of the drives you don't. I have 4 drives. Okay, 4 drives. Imagine I have 4 drives. E drive 100 GB, F drive 100 GB, K drive 100 GB, M drive 100 GB is there. 100 GB free space is there. So now you can take this backup, okay, into multiple parts. Now you can take the backup into multiple parts. Okay, so total 500 GB is there, right? So now you can take how many parts you want, you can take. So one part you can save it in E drive, second part you can save it in F drive, third part you can save it in K drive, fourth part you will save it in M drive. So only instead of one backup file, you will get that same backup file will be split into multiple backup files. It's your wish. If you want to split in 2 parts, if you want to split as 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts, up to 64 parts you can split. Up to 64 parts you can split. Okay, so it's your wish. But while restoring, you should have all the parts. This is part 1, imagine. This is part 2, second file. Why? Because this is pieces, right? Okay, while restoring, you should have all the pieces. Otherwise, if any part is missing here, you cannot restore. Part 4. So taking backups in multiple splits is called split backup. How to take and all in the document it was there, a command is there to take. Okay, so it's easy command. Same, you have to give extra disk. Backup database name to disk is equal to file name dot bak part 1 dot bak. Again, to disk is equal to part 2 dot bak, to disk is equal to part 3 dot. Like that, if you mention multiple disks, it will take backups in multiple parts. Okay.
So Joy said earlier he provides some real data, so we can.
Not now. See, real data we can utilize Joy services, but not whenever it is. Okay, he will give us some time, then he will update us. Okay, it's not like, hey Sanjeev, come on, I'll share my screen. You can see the real-time servers.
No, sir. No, sir.
Not like that. Okay, he will take some time. Okay, so as promised, he will show you if possible. At least he will update how the things and all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Any doubts, please?
Sir, how to find database is corrupted?
Very good question. So if the database is corrupted, first thing is database won't open. So now if you are opening, while opening you are getting you can open, right, when you click on this plus symbol. Second thing is in the bracket it will go to in recovery state or suspect state or emergency state. You can see in the brackets. Okay, here beside the database 2 brackets will come. In the brackets you can see in recovery, recovery pending, suspect state, emergency mode, like that kind of modes you can see. So in that way you can find. Okay, so in that way, yeah. So Joy, Sanjeev, don't mention Joy's name. Okay, when recording is on. Okay, yeah. So yeah. In that way you can find whether the database of course if it is like showing in recovery pending and all, it's not like the database is corrupted. We'll check error logs and all, SQL Server error logs and all we'll check. So based on that we can came to know whether the database is corrupted or not. Okay, yes, please.
How can you repeat this one? Like how, if database is corrupted, how to take?
Here in the brackets you can see in recovery or pending, or while you are expanding the database it will throw the error database is not accessible and all. So based on that, you can check the SQL Server error log. Okay, in the error log, you can see all the errors will be recorded in the SQL Server error log. Earlier I shown you how to check the error log, where to check the error log and all. Okay, so if any database is not accessible, go to this go to management, go to this SQL Server logs, go to current error log. You can check here. If the database is not accessible, you can check in the error log. Okay, so based on that you can troubleshoot. If database is not coming online, then you have only one way, that you have to restore your backups. Okay, fine. Any questions, doubts, please? If no questions, then that's it for now. Tomorrow morning we'll discuss about the recovery models. Okay, so and then we'll complete restores as well. Tomorrow I'll show you how to restore a database.
Okay, sir.
Fine, guys. Okay, that's it for now. Good night, guys. We'll meet tomorrow at 7 a.m. IST.
Yeah, good night, sir. Thank you.
Yeah,
Good night, bro. Thank you.
Good night.
Thank you, everyone. Have a
Thank you, sir.
wonderful
Thank
day.
you. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.
Thank
Artha
you.
is not there, right?
Bye, everyone.
Who is that? Joy?
Artha, like from New Jersey.
New Jersey. Yeah. No, he was not joined. Yeah.
Okay. Have a great night.
Yeah. Bye.
Sir, Sanjeev garu. Sanjeev.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Sanjeev.
I
Sorry, sir.
forget.
Sorry, sir. When you are talking, I was speaking in the middle, so sorry. Sorry for that.
No, I forget to. I didn't mention your name.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Fine, guys. Fine. Okay. So yeah, that's it for now. We'll connect tomorrow.